Manipur Police ki chamaga kuntra humdoi Suba Rising Day Thouram ngasi Pangthokhre. Ahanba Manipur Rifles Parade Ground da Pangthokhiba Thouram aduda ahum Suba IRV gi Commandant Sarangthem Hemantana Parade Commander oiduna tongan ba contingent tarani thoina Mars Patch chatkibaga loinana Thouram adugi athoiba mithunglen oikiba Thongam Biswajit na salami oiki Thouram aduga mari leinana DGP Trophy for West Battalion English ngani kun mari gi mana ahanba Manipur Rifles ta pikre ani Suba manana nipan Suba amadi ani Suba Manipur Rifles Battalion da pikre ahum Suba na nipan Suba IRB amadi manga Suba Manipur Rifles Battalion da pike Imphal West District ki manungchan na laiba Lamphel Police Station da DGP Manipur Trophy for Base Police Station English ngani kun mari gi mana pike ani Suba khwaidagi faba Police Station gi manana Ziribam Police Station amadi Churachandpur Women Police Station da pike ahum Suba na Patsoi Police Station amadi Bisnupur Police Station da pike DGP Award for Best Police Officer English ngani kun mari gi manana Bisnupur District ki Women Police Station gi SI El Surbala amasung Ukrul District ke Women Police Station ge SI Vasum Minada Piki Thouram adugi athoiba mithung glen gi warol piraduna Minister Biswajit na hai lamdam asida police na lauriba thodang singthaningai ni lamdam asigi law and order ngak naba tungan ba thabak sing paikhatlakpada miyamna apen pen da leiramgani adubo Manipur Police na tumda chadana miyambu asoi angam yaodanaba hotnariba sida miyamnasu mateng pangbiyu haiki amaromda war on drugs ki mari leinana popi pambi kaya manghanbada Manipur Police na achauba thodang lauduna lakli haina su Minister Biswajit na Manipur Police pu singthaki Thouram aduda saruk yakhiba Manipur gi DGP Rajib Singhan hai haukiba chahi amama khairom asida state force ki mioi taramathoi shiki kaya amana asok abannang ki anoba khuchukulai sing amadi miyam gi matenga loinana Manipur gi irang lakshinaba security force na hotnaba yaba hotnari masida miyamna sumateng pangbiyu haiki ngasigi Thouram aduda Manipur lenga ki tongan ba mantri MLA Civil amadi police ki makok thongba official amadi central force ki makok thongba officer singsu sarugyaki
Nasidi akogi Manipur Police haibasi sahi sam kunthong shure 500 numbers ki manunda lena report nasidi 40,000 ki mathakta hena akoi strength si hengala kugal lunena yamna difficult situation da akoi nasi enforcing agency haibasi akoi nasi tuan section kya hai mahagi leriba wang singang ajade apapun tawada yamna henjen bamongda kanabsi makhoida duty of discharge to naboda makhoida pikiba awagi manunda mi phaba adu force naba adu madubu control to naboda tawkibu mayam oigani odu masi puna maksingsi hene cooperation bibiraga hena ko sanaba hena puna cooperative oina tabuk tabune sangi habisi ma ikona cooperation bibun thoi habisi ma
The new 3 criminal laws have also been implemented during the year: the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. The Honorable Chief Minister had announced the implementation of the 3 new criminal laws, and we have conducted various awareness campaigns on these new criminal laws to police personnel as well as public. 1,000 weapons during this period has been recovered, and there have been various 81 bombs, 823 hand grenades, gelatin sticks, safety fuse, gunpowder, plus various other recoveries have been made. As a part of war on drugs, the state police has been making all-out effort to prevent the abuse and illicit trafficking of narcotic drugs. 651 acres of poppy plantation and 10 acres of cannabis have been destroyed during the last 1 year.